Good morning, class. In our previous class, we were discussing about what are prime numbers, composite numbers, and co-prime numbers. Let me tell you once again that prime numbers are those numbers which are having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Composite numbers are those numbers which are having more than two factors. That means they are divisible by 1, the number itself, and by some other numbers also. Now next one is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, two numbers are said to be co-prime numbers if they have only 1 as the common factor in both of them. Clear? Now today we will be learning how to do prime factorization of any number. Prime factorization, writing a number as a product of its factors is called factorization. Now simply if you are asked what is factorization, then you can say that if we write a number as a product of its factors, then it is called factorization. And writing a number as a product of factors that are prime numbers is called prime factorization. Now what is prime factorization? When you write a number as the product of factors which are prime numbers, those factors are prime numbers, then that is called prime factorization. For example, the prime factorization of 24 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now how has it come? That I will be telling you just now how to solve it. You can do prime factorization by two methods. First one is repeatedly break down factors into smaller factors till all the factors are prime. Yes, till you get all the factors prime, you keep on dividing that number by the smallest prime number. Okay, then second method is repeatedly divide the number by prime numbers till the quotient is 1. Yes, second one is that repeatedly, that is again and again, keep on dividing the number by prime numbers till you get 1 as the quotient. Clear? Now see, write the, suppose example is there, write the prime factorization of 210, or you, it may be asked like this also, that factorize 210. So this method, that is the first method to write down, repeatedly break down factors into smaller factors, is little bit complex, means you may feel difficulty in this method, but I will tell you this one method which is most commonly used. Second method is the most commonly used method, which is easy also, which will be easy for you all. Suppose it is factorize 300. So what will you do? How you will factorize 300? Just see what they have done. 3, I said that what you will do, that smallest prime number, you will take the smallest prime number and by which that number is divisible. Just check, 0 is there at the last, so it will be divisible by 2. So just divide it by 2 like this. See, factorize 300. 300 is there. So what you will do, just try to divide it by the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 ones are 2. How much is left? 1. 1 is left as the remainder. So 1 and 0 is how much? You can, if you are not able to do orally, you can do it in rough. Divide it by 300 in rough. 2 ones are 2. 1, copy 0. 2 fives are 10. Minus, then this one 0, 0. So what has come as the quotient? Quotient is 150. So we will write here the quotient, and we have divided by 2, so 2 we will write here. Now again divide 150 by the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2 only. So first just see it is divisible by 2 or not. 2 sevens are 14, 1 0, 2 fives are 10. What is coming as the question? 75. So 75 you will write here, and you have divided by 2. So 2 you will write here. Clear? Now 75. Now 75. See, if in any number, this I told you before also, that if in any number at one's place any even number is there or 0 is there, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, if these numbers are there at one's place, then that number is divisible by 2, otherwise that number is not divisible by 2. Now in this number at one's place 5 is there, so this number is divisible by 2? No. So you don't have to divide and check, you can check it orally also like this. So now you have understood that this number is not divisible by 2, so you check it whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 3 and 75, 3 2s are 6, 1 5, 3 5s are 15. How much has come? 25. So write here 25, and we have divided it by 3, so you will write here 3. Now 25 is 25 will be divisible by 2? No. Why? Because at one's place what is there? 5, which is an odd number. Now 25 will be divisible by 3. Just check, 3 8s are 24. So 25 is not divisible by 3 also. Now 4 is not a prime number, so we will not check it by 4. Now next prime number is 5. So check it by 5. In the table of 5, 25 is coming. Yes, 5 5s are 25. So quotient will be 5. So here you will write 5, and you have divided by 5. So here also you will write 5. Till when? Till when you will divide? You will divide till you get 1 as the remainder. Okay. So now 5 will be divisible by which number? 5 is a prime number, so it will be divisible by 5 only. So 5 1s are 5. Now clear? So prime factorization of 300 is equals to, you will write the multiplication of all these, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. This is the final answer, and this is your solution. Clear? Of 300. Now this method, one more method is there to solve prime factorization, that is by building factor tree. Okay, so factor tree method. How? Now just divide 300 in rough, you can divide it by the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 0, then copy this 0, then 0. Clear? So how much has come? It is divisible by 2. Yes. How much has come? 150. So you will make 2 lines like this, and you will write the prime number by which you have divided here, and put one multiplication sign in the between, and then you will write 150 here. Clear? Now again you will check 150 is divisible by 2 or not. 2 sevens are 14. At last 0 is there, and 0, what I told, that if 0 or any even number is there at one's place, then that number is divisible by 2. So it will be divisible by 2. So just divide it. 2 sevens are 14, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. Now again write 150 into 2 parts, and it is divisible by 2. So 2 here multiplied by, how much has come as the question? 75. 75 you will write here. Clear? Now in 75 at one's place, what is there? 5 is there. So 5 is not an even number. So 75 is not divisible by 2. So now we will divide it by 3. Next prime number, that is 3. So 3 2s are 6, 1, and 3 5s are 15. How much has came as the question? 25. 5. So split it into two parts and write, you have divided it by 3. So write here 3 multiplied by 25. Now 25, just see 25 comes in the table of 3? No. Why? Because 3 8s are 24. So 25 doesn't come in the table of 3. Now check whether it is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25. Yes, it comes in the table of 5. So just write 25 like this and 5 into 5. Clear? Now at last you will write like this, 300 is equals to, write all the prime numbers, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by this 5 also you will take. Why? Because this is also a prime number. Clear? So this is the answer. That's all for today class. We'll discuss the rest things in the next class.